Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you about Airtable and getting started with the Airtable. So first of all you have to download the Airtable. So you will search for this, download Airtable, and then you will see this page. The first page, you have to click on this one, downloads it says, and then you can choose your operating systems. Like it have the apps for iOS and Android, but there are not much options on them, so you have to go for like Mac OS or Windows. Okay, then, and after installing the application, you will see this kind of interface. So first of all we have to like sign in. So there are a couple of different options for us, but I will choose sign in with Google. So I will click on this one, and then I have to choose my Google account here. And then I will click on next. Okay, so after signing in you will see this kind of interface. So actually what is Airtable is actually a cloud based solution for building apps. Okay, you can build apps. It doesn't matter like where you are. You can just join with your team and you can build apps. Okay, so that's it for this video, and we will start from the next video. So guys, if you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.